that went pretty easy. Alright, so I took my little basket for flowers down with my printer and chose some of my printables. So I chose a light pink and a very nice light mint. I think that fits so nice. I also have some yellow, and I choose also a little darker pink. I also some black. I think that fits also sometimes. This is a gray one, and then I could not choose between the mint and this color, so I also printed out this one, and I don't know if that match, but we'll see. But yeah, as you can see, it's always handy to have some some printables on your computer where you can choose from. So yeah, I'm gonna choose, which one shall I choose for the background? I think the mint for this one. What do you think? The mint. Or even the pink. Oh my gosh, why am I a pink lover? I absolutely am a pink lover. See how cool that is. I'm gonna mix them all up, but it's possible. Oh my gosh, perfect. And then with this one, I would say, well, this one is even a nice green one. This is greener than this one, but that's okay. It's perfectly fine. I think with this one the yellow would fit perfect. But as I say, you can use it all. But the yellow will fit perfectly on this one. So yep. And with the printables, I can print as many as I want. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, so that's just what I wanted to show you. So I want to use this for the background for this one. And I want to use a pink for this one. Alright, that's been done. Okay, guys. You don't want to see my desk right now because I have a pile, ik krijg 45. I have a pile with Prima Marketing, and I do have a pile where I have worked on my kit. Alright, so I do 3 different paper collections. Oh, crazy. Yes, I know, but love it. I love sometimes a little chaotic. Love it. Always do things what you love. Don't ever change that. And being a little chaotic is just what I love to do. So yeah. By the way, if you are interested in my colored backgrounds, just send me a message and then I can tell you how to get them. But guys, it's easy. Now I must say this yellow was not in my normal collection, but it was from my Halloween collection. So I don't know about you, but I just love to have some printables. And the printables, they are just on your computer, so you can use them whenever you like. See how cute this is? Yeah, it's so cute. For this one, I just gonna do this. Now I can choose whatever I like to use. Is that awesome or what? Especially for the background, for these ones. I don't want to use the normal paper collection. I don't feel it. Alright, put it in. all the way down, 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 all the way down. Come on, Mr. You need to go all the way down. There's something in the way. Don't be stressed. Yes, here we go. Yep, and that's why I love to do it this way. And now put some glue on, so I don't have to get those troubles when I am having glue on. Because I don't have to take this out now. It's on its place. Okay, is this gorgeous or what? I love it. I love it. See how different this looks? Super cute. Wow, I absolutely love the yellow. Cool. Alright, so that's what I had in mind for printed out some of my printables.